Hey my peeps, let's make a cute honeybee pot. So you're gonna need one of these little cauldrons, pots, that we use during St. Patrick's Day and also Halloween. I know you got one in your stash. I like to put two little rocks in the bottom just to weigh it down a little bit because sometimes the top gets a little heavy. So I did that, and then I'm gonna glue a little piece of cardboard onto the top. And then I have this mixture of Mod Podge, Coke, and paint, and that's what I'm going to use for my drip. So you're just going to take it and, just put it on the top, make some drips going around, and then just fill in the top with the rest of whatever you have left over, okay? Guys, please excuse me, I have a puppy, and she just, they just want to do what they want to do when they want to do it. So if you hear all this noise, it's her. Anyway, so I got a little toothpick and I'm just spreading the mixture around and, evening it out, filling in some gaps and whatever. Now you got to let this dry really well overnight, okay? And the reason why you got to let it dry overnight is because we're going to put some hot glue on top. Some of the honey colored hot glue. We're going to make some drips. And we're going to put some on the top. I'm not going to fill in the whole thing. I'm just putting, a little drizzle like on top. And mostly the drips coming over the edge. Excuse me. Then I'm going to put some little bees on the top. You put as many as you want. I only put 4, but you could put less or more. It's totally up to you. And I'm just going to add more drips. Just fill in the spaces. I made some of the drips like really drip hanging over the lid. And it looked really cute. It's hard to see in this video. I stuck a bee onto the outside of the little pot. And added more drips because the drips look so cute. You can't really see it that good, but it looks nice when it drips over. And, that's it. That's going to be our pot. You can add a ribbon to it if you want, a bow or whatever, but I didn't. But that's how this looks. Easy, basically. I did the honey with my Cricut. I cut it out with my Cricut. But you could write it in with a paint pen or something like that. But make you some. Talk to you later. Bye.